Hello, this is my extra credit point for Module 11, Chapter 9, and then question 12. So we are talking about more interpretations of a regression equation. So the question says, a household appliance manufacturer wants to analyze the relationship between total sales and the company's three primary means of advertising, so television, magazines, and radio. All values were in millions of dollars. They found the regression equation. And right here is the regression equation. So one of the interpretations below is correct. Which is it? Explain what's wrong with the others. So for A, I said, it says if they did no advertising, their income would be 250 million. And I said that was doubtful since their primary means of advertisement included TV, radio, and magazine. So I don't think they would receive as much money or income if they did not have these three means of advertisement. And then for B, I kept going back and forth between this one and then the answer that was correct, or that I thought was correct. And it says every $1 million spent on radio makes sales increase $3.5 million, all other things being equal. And then I just said you can't predict from the response to predictor, although I do kind of feel like this could be correct, but I wasn't positive. And then for C, every $1 million spent on magazines increases TV spending $2.3 million. And this one I said was incorrect because it doesn't mention the radio. And then again, you can't predict from response to predictor. And then for D, sales increase on average about $6.75 million for each million spent on TV after allowing for the effects of the other kinds of advertising. So I kind of thought this was similar to B, and I chose this as the correct answer just because when you do like increase the average of 6.7 million, or sales do increase on average about 6.75 million for each million spent on TV. So we can say that one was correct. And then what helped me kind of, the number 11 on this one was helpful, like looking at this interpretation problem. And then also I think page like 80 to 85 talked about the regression equation. So that was helpful too. Thanks.